All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Dogecoin. Is it going to collapse? I mean, the market currently is down almost 5.5, almost 6%. Something that we talked about back in, December the 20th, 2024. That was my expectation, was for Dogecoin to continue to go lower. But obviously, you guys can see what the market in Dogecoin wanted to do. It traded sideways for a couple of days, and then it traded above our seller's pocket. But now you guys can see that the current trend is pretty much still intact. So maybe we were a little bit too early in predicting and forecasting that Dogecoin was going to go lower. So let's get right back into position, because this last price prediction did not go well. It did go against us, and on January the 3rd, 2025, 38.45% right there. So now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move this pocket of selling, and we're going to take it just a little bit higher, up there around 40 cents. Okay, we're going to mark the territory to where we know sellers in the market in Dogecoin reside. So that's where they're at. Okay, now we're still aiming for lower prices in Dogecoin. Will it be a collapse? I don't know. But given the price action today in Dogecoin being down 5.32%, and then a lot of the other cryptocurrencies, you guys can see right here, pretty big move is going on right now in the altcoin space. 13, 11, 10, 9% down across the board for a lot of cryptocurrencies. So we need to prepare ourselves for maybe a sustained move lower. Now, will it impact Dogecoin like some of these other double-digit losses right now in the market? I don't know. And the reason why I say that too is because on this chart right here, we can see that this is where buyers are in Dogecoin. So this would be the lifesaver right here. Okay, so I do suspect that we may get a test of the buyers right here in this pocket of buying. If the buyers hold this pocket, then the sustained move lower won't last long. The market will bounce from here and try to go right back up in price. So we're going to mark that there too, to see if those buyers are going to hold the market in that pocket. If so, then we're not going to see the price go that far. It's not going to go that low. But if it doesn't hold that pocket, then we expect that it's going to come down here to this next buyer's pocket, which is around 24, almost 25.5 cents. Now let's look at this on the day, on the 2-day in Dogecoin. You guys can see that generally the market is still weak. And the reason why I say that is that we can look at these bars right here, this price bar, and then this one. And then you combine it with what is causing Dogecoin from being rejected and not able to go higher from that point. Okay, so this is what going on almost 6 days. And the market in Doge, the buyers could not break price above 35 cents. What's really going on? Yeah, there's sellers there. That is the only thing that is impending and not allowing the buyers to break through the 35-cent area. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Doge on the 4. Here it is on the 5, and the weekly chart of last week. We saw a fantastic week before, only to see price come back down. All right, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart, and we'll be finished. We are going to look for price in Doge to continue to go lower. Okay, and I'm going to create this pocket of selling right here. Okay, and our first target, I already told you, is going to be in this first pocket. The buyers may actually hold this area. So at the bottom of that pocket will give us 5.82%. But then our next target is going to be at this second pocket of buying. At the high, it will give us 19.38 to 22.5, 22.43 at 24 cents, 24.5 cents. Okay. All right, so that's it. That's where we at. Go ahead and give me your thoughts, your perspective as to what you think the market in Doge is going to do. We might even see, now that I'm looking at it, we might see the market in Doge bounce off this trend line and continue to run up. So another thing to keep in lockstep to see if that's going to happen. All right, I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.